Assalamualaikum and hi. Uh, for this video, I'm going to explain tips for choosing the right cleaner for food industry. It is easy to decide cleaning chemical for home application and clean dishes at home, but this is not the same as in food industry. To find out what type of cleaners or detergent to be used in food industry is actually quite tricky. These are the factors that may influence your cleaner selection. Okay, which are salt, water hardness, temperature, plant surfaces, cleaning methods, and safety. The characteristics of salts, such as viscosity, I write down here. Okay, viscosity, um, solid, non-fat, water, alkali or acid soluble, yeah, and others will determine which cleaner can be used most effectively. Central state industrial has classified salts into moderate to heavy salts and light salt. The characteristic of moderate to heavy salts are wet carbohydrate material, dried liquid with suspended or dissolved solids, heated organic salts, wet or semi-dry food material, dry or semi-dried carbohydrate material, ground or emulsified protein, and wet or semi-dry proteins. Example of moderate to heavy salts are burnt grease, fats and oils, dairy proteins, meat salaries, or paste, and cheese lime scale. Um, while the characteristic of light salts are liquid soluble product, low bacterial growth risk, unheated organic salts, liquid with or without dissolved or suspended solids. Example of light salts are sugars and salts, sports drinks and sodas, suspended grease, fats and oils, fruit juices, fresh wet vegetable or meat product, dirt or extraneous non-food materials. All these classes of salts may help in determining the suitable cleaners. Generally, moderate to heavy salts will need stronger cleaner concentration, high temperature, and other cleaning compounds, auxiliaries. For light salts, they are normally easy to clean and need less complex cleaner. Few chemicals and low temperature is sufficient actually to remove light salts, right? Sometimes you can even just rinse with water only, but of course when you apply chemical will be much faster. Common rules of thumb in selecting the cleaner is that light, clean, light. Okay, light, clean, light. Okay, this term I'm taken from the textbook of Principles of Food Sanitation. Okay, which means that acid salts need acid cleaners, and alkaline salt should be removed with alkaline cleaner. As what you can see here, inorganic salts, okay, inorganic salts are best to be removed with acid-based cleaner. Organic salts are most effectively Remove through alkaline based cleaner. Okay, this example of organic soil. Okay, which is non-petroleum. And petroleum based soils will be cleaned with solvent based cleaner. Thus, it is important to identify correctly the type of soils prior selecting the detergent, and the cleaner should able to induce chemical conversion of the deposit so that it can accelerate the cleaning. Sometimes you may need to combine different cleaners to effectively remove the soil's deposit. In milk processing industry, they generally apply two-step cleaning procedure to clean the processing plant. The two-step cleaning procedure consists of two chemical cleaning, which involve acid cleaning and alkaline cleaning to remove mineral deposit and organic salts such as protein, carbohydrate, and fat. Other than the type of salts, we need to consider the amount of salts to be removed too, as this will determine the cleaning degree in terms of the alkalinity, acidity, the need of surfactants, sequestrants, and protection auxiliaries. Cleaner need water, as water is the universal solvent. Another important water function is to transport the cleaning chemical compounds to the surface. This enabling the cleaning compounds to react with soil surface. However, the water that supplied to us is not pure water. The water come to us with water hardness, which will influence the cleaning selection. The cleaner supply, okay, the cleaner supplier should test the water in the factory before suggesting the suitable cleaner. Before selecting the cleaner, it is important also to check the denaturation temperature of the soils, then compare with the optimum temperature of the cleaner. If the optimum temperature of the cleaner exceeds the denaturation temperature of the soils, this will reduce the effectiveness of soil removal. Then check what will you clean: plastic, rubber, metal, wood, or ceramic or filter membranes. Eh? It is important to check the compatibility of the cleaner with the surface that you are going to clean. Surface damage is always costly. There are several cleaning methods in food industry, and this cleaning method may as well influence in cleaner selection. For example, cleaner with high foaming is not good for cleaning in place and automatic washer. Important to note as well the safety of the cleaner. We shall not apply cleaner which contain solvent and other harmful ingredients, as they may pose hazard not only to the worker but also to the food safety. Good to choose biodegradable cleaners, so then you will not load your wastewater treatment plant. Another tips that often overlooked by food industry is the support from the manufacturer or supplier. Find a good manufacturer or supplier which has sufficient experience and can offer technical guidance and training. A good cleaner manufacturer should apply their customer with validation methods, compatibility studies, toxicology reports, regulatory compliance, free product samples, technical support, and training. Now, let's list the cleaning criteria that you may consider before selecting the cleaner. In this list, I include as well other cleaner criteria. Okay, first we shall check the efficiency of the cleaner against a large variety of soils, and then it's good to have cleaners with low concentration but still can provide sufficient cleaning. And then find cleaners with low foaming, because low foaming will assist, will make the rinsing, okay, become the rinsing can complete in short time, and it's easily rinsed, it's easily to be rinsed. And then find a cleaner that's safe to be used, and safe for to the food as well, and is environmentally friendly. All right, for example, biodegradable cleaner. And then cleaner with excellent wetting, fat emulsification, and sequestration properties, and cleaner that can easily apa ni, dissolve in water. Then fast and free rinsing, so then it will not left any chemical residues after clean, after final rinse. And then non-corrosive, the cleaner should be not non-corrosive, should have it should be non-corrosive, compatible with all materials of construction. Find a cleaning compound which is authorized by regulation, cleaner that uh, can suspend and disperse salt into the medium of cleaning medium. Hard water tolerance, okay, even though if you have a range of hard water and it keep changing, good to find a cleaner that can tolerate with the hard water. Food grade, okay, which means that the cleaner is non-toxic, free from of perfumes, and dyes. Remember, food grade cleaner is normally colorless. Is all right. And then there is no order from the cleaners. That is among the criteria. Main criteria among the criteria for the food grade cleaner. And no harmful effects on the equipment surface, and low cost, because cleaning in food industry mostly daily cleaning, so you can calculate, you can predict that they will use a lot of chemical, and of course this will be costly. All right. There are a variety of detergents available in the market, and each detergent has different removal efficiency depending on their target source. Often, long duration of cleaning and poor cleaning performance is not due to the bad quality of the detergent, but it is due to wrong detergent has been used. Thus, it is important for you to identify the suitable detergent for your food processing, as this will save money in the long term when cleaning will, and then the cleaning will be more effective. The way of using the detergent may as well affect the cleaning effectiveness. To ensure proper use of the detergent, you should get training from your detergent supplier. Okay, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. Bye.